Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we are diving into the elimination method for solving systems of equations. This powerful technique can simplify complex problems, making them easier to solve. Let's get started. Let's read the question first. Julie is asked to solve the system below by elimination. Which of the following steps would be the best way to begin? The first one is given as 2x plus y equals negative 3, and the second one is 3x minus 2y is equals 2. In the choice A, multiply the first one by 2 and multiply the second one by 3. In choice B, multiply the second one by 2. In choice C, we have multiply the first one by 2, and the choice D we have multiply the second one by 2 and multiply the first one by negative 2. This seems a little bit complicated, but it's not actually. The elimination method involves eliminating one of the variables by adding or subtracting the equations. Let's walk through the steps together. To be able to eliminate one of the variable, you need to have their coefficients same with a different sign, or if it's the same sign, you will subtract both sides. If they're opposite signs, let's say one is negative 2x, the other one is positive 2x, in that case you can just go ahead and add them. So in this specific question, let's go over on it. In the choice A, we have they're saying that multiply the first one by 2 and multiply the second one by 3. Multiply by 2 the first one, second one by 3. If you will do that, you will get 4x. For this one, you would get 4x and 2y equals negative 6. In the bottom, they're saying that multiply the second one by 3, would get 9x minus 6y is equal to 6. But if you will pay attention to the coefficient of the variables, 4 and 9, 2 and negative 6, now if I would add them both sides, this wouldn't do anything to me on my solution. This is not a logical first step to take. Second one, they're saying that multiply the second one by 2. So technically we're going to keep the first one as is if we will multiply the second one. So this was the choice A. I'm going to do choice B here. So the first one stays as is, and then multiply the second one by 2. That's going to give us 6x minus 4y equals 4. 2 and 6, 1 and negative 4, the coefficients. This didn't give us another good step. Let's try choice C. Multiply the first one by 2. So we're just going to keep the second one this time same. Multiplying by 2, the first one gives us 4x plus 2y equals negative 3. And the second one stays. Let's rewrite the second one as this. And if you would pay attention in here, so this negative 2y and the positive 2y on top. Let me change the color in here. So if you would add both sides together, they're just going to eliminate each other. So this would be a good step. Let me show you the choice D as well here. Multiply second one by 2. Let's do that first. That gives us 6x minus 4y equals 4. And the first one by negative 2, negative 4x minus 2y equals positive 6. When you add them, the coefficient of the variables, neither x and nor y, we don't have anything common. Therefore, this couldn't be the answer. So the answer for this question is C. This is a specific question. I just wanted to show you it's a different type of a question you might face during the SAT tests. Again, So, thank you for watching our channel and the video. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Math Jamboree videos. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Leave any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.